out of my head. Try to stray, try to fall.
Hi everybody! Right now, on the very first fire that I ever made.
How do you explain your first fire? How do you feel?
Good. I need a little help from my mom at the beginning. Yeah, I started the fire.
You are what I needed this whole time. I've been around. No one else has got me feeling this way. Every minute, every hour I spend is on you every single day. I've always wondered what it takes to fill this empty void inside.
Here we are driving to Blue Cave, Montenegro. Accidentally, we took a wrong turn and had to spend half the day cutting branches and getting scraped by the spiky trees to finally get back on the road.
She's made out of gold. She says she likes it better when we go off-road. Yeah. I'm gonna make it worth your while. I'm gonna make it worth your time. Gonna make it worth your while. When she's with me, we're like superstars. Windows roll down, radio on. I think we could go far. We don't need money. We can skip that part. All I want is her to be with me. She's got a ticket to my heart.
We got out of the snare trail. It has been many hours of cutting branches and moving rocks. It was nightfall by the time we got out of the trail. I don't always believe Google Maps.
Smile, yeah, she's got that style that makes you think she's made out of gold.
While we were making our way through the path, we noticed these berries on the side of the road. We soon found out they are called strawberry tree berries. Despite their name, they tasted like a mix between bananas and raspberries, not like strawberries. Now I'm picking strawberry tree berries. It isn't necessarily a tree, it's a type of bush, and these aren't strawberries. They're just called strawberry tree berries. Remember, they aren't strawberries. I don't know why they called them strawberry tree berries. They're from this little plant here. The redder they are, the softer they are. The softer they are, the better they are.
We can skip that part. All I want is her to be with me. She's got a ticket to my heart.
Whole day, we finally made it to Blue Caves. Here, there are said to be many, many caves filled with water. We will have the chance to see the insides of these caves with our paddleboard and surfboard. After Blue Caves, we decided to retreat to the mountains. There, we did a steep hike and had some time to ourselves.
Oh, you came and tucked your way into my heart. Oh, you look at me in ways I never loved. With you I know that this is all, so I don't need to take it slow.
monastery of Ostrog is an Orthodox church built in an almost vertical background, high up in the large rock of Montenegro. Saint Basil of Ostrog was also buried here in this monastery. After the mountains, we decided to head off to a gorge which was known to be very nice. As you can see here, we had to snip lots of branches for YOLO to get through. Soon, we decided that the road might have been getting thinner and thinner. So just in case, we sent someone to go scout up ahead and test our theory. It was true. Luckily, there was a farm right where we decided to stop, and the owners let us stay for the night.
Can't save myself from you and nobody else. Everything is out of my sight. This is all so new to me. I can do it all in your way. Say all the things that you say. I can do it all in one night. When I go out.
Okay, right now we are in Montenegro, and Max, what are you doing?
Feeding pigs right here.
What are they being fed?
They're being fed slop. Some yucky thing.
Okay. Okay, do you want to show us more? So there's this nice grandma and grandpa that let us stay in their parking lot. YOLO's back there somewhere. And yeah, they're really nice and let us stay here. Okay.
I've been chasing highs just to breathe.
Okay, we're in that nice couple's house, backyard still, and this is what we cooked for dinner. Lunch.
Thoughts in my mind, I can't get up.
So instead of driving to the gorge, we took a hike because, as you know, it was too thin.
We've been talking for an hour. We just can't find the end. We won't understand each other. I wonder how it feels to fall asleep and love the one that's next to me. I don't know why I'm stuck around with you. I've been told I should go find myself again. You're taking my soul, everything I own, poison in my head. We fall down the more we keep trying, leaving us with scars. I've been told I should go and find myself again. We should go, but we keep trying. How it feels to fall asleep and love the one that's next to me. I don't know why I'm stuck around with you. I've been told I should go find myself again. You're taking my soul, everything I own, poison in my head. We fall down the more we keep trying, leaving us with scars. I've been told I should go and find myself again. Been told myself, the more we keep trying.
As you might have seen, there's this dog following us. We saw him at the farm and he's followed us for the whole entire hike.
I'll be in fools drifting to deep space, so brave and so stupid, just like the movies. How it's gonna stay in the